We've walked up to Worstead Woods and I just thought I'd go live again, just for a few seconds, because all I can hear is the birds. So I'm going to shut up very quickly and just let you listen to the birds. Hopefully you can hear them. I'm hearing them. I don't know if you can hear the birds. Lots of birds. This is in Worstead Woods. And they're all just having a lovely sing-song. Sounds lovely. All sorts of gorgeous noises. I don't have a clue what they all are, but they sound lovely. Oh, I recognise that one. That was easy. And again. I just hope you can hear them. They just sound lovely. And if you don't hear them, well, you get another little view of Norfolk, don't you? So we're going to start our longer walk home.